ambulance service. What's the full address of the emergency, please?
In immediately life-threatening situations when the patient stops breathing, we need to mobilise help to get an ambulance crew there as soon as possible to ensure best chance of survival. So without an accurate address, we can't get this help mobilised. Can you confirm the telephone number you're calling from in case we get disconnected?
The reason we ask for a telephone number at the start of the call is if the line clears, we're able to gain contact with the caller to establish the exact location of the emergency.
Is the patient conscious?
And is the patient breathing?
Any patient who's not awake or is unconscious, it's a sign that there's something serious happening with that patient, which could be life-threatening. And if a patient is also not breathing, we need to mobilise and divert ambulance resources as soon as possible and try and get a defibrillator on scene.
How old is the patient?
We need to know how old the patient is, as the advice and instructions we give can vary depending on the person's age. For example, CPR instructions for a child are very different to CPR instructions for an adult, and the crew also need to know what kind of equipment to take with them.
If you do not need an ambulance, you will be told what to do. Sometimes a nurse may call you back. Sometimes people may experience a long wait for an ambulance. If you call the ambulance service back while waiting, we will ask the same questions again.